What's up, TikTok family? I took my dog outside so he can get something to eat, and then I found something out here. Check out this little guy. Cool, huh? Let's see. My dog's like scared of it. Ain't that cool? It appears that it does not have eyes, so I don't know what to do about this little guy. I'm about to go to church right now, and then I fell upon this little guy right here. Not sure what to do. What should we do, buddy? Buddy, what should we do? Huh? Not sure what to do. What's that, little guy? Hey, what's that, little guy? What happened to your eyes?